Hey YouTube, how's it going? Welcome to our kitchen. Deanna's going to take the time to show you how to organize your pantry. And I really hope you guys enjoy because she's the best when it comes to that. I'm pretty good at organizing myself, but she takes over sometimes. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.
So this is our kitchen. It's pretty small, but we like the way it looks because it's updated and it's just really nicely done. However, this is the only part we have for any groceries or anything like that. So over here we have our plates and cups and spices over here by the cabinet. So this is what we're working with over here. Yeah, it needs some work. We need to update it and organize it. So I'm going to show you guys what we do and give you guys some tips on how to get your small pantry organized. Everything I got here I got from the Dollar Tree. This is a storage cabinet shelf. It'll help me put different things on top. I'm going to use these probably for beans or anything like that, and then I have some more clear bins. I'm going to start by taking everything out of the cabinet so that we can have a nice clean space to work with so that we can put everything the way we want it to. I had to call in Kwame so he can help get the stuff on the top shelf because I really don't even use that stuff. So my idea for these jars are to put our beans in. We have a bunch of beans like this, the ones that you have to wash and soak, but also to put our nuts in. We have like mixed nuts like trail mix and these heart nuts. So I'm gonna put them in here so they can look more aesthetically pleasing. I struggled the most with this brown sugar bag and I have no idea why. Now I'm just taking my Hoover and vacuuming up all the little crumbs that were in there, and then I'm going to go in and disinfect everything with a paper towel and some cleaning products. For easy access, I like to put all of our oatmeal packets into these little bins that I also got from the Dollar Tree. And any packets that I do have, I put them in these bins so that when we open the cabinet and we need oatmeal or we need hot cocoa or whatever, we just get it and it's quick and easy. Alright, so I'm going to start by putting all my bottles back. I'm going to start with putting the things that I use the least in the back and the things I use the most in the front. Now all of those aesthetically pleasing jars that we bought from the Dollar Tree, we're going to put those back into the cabinets. These cabinet shelves really come in handy to optimize space because I can put these bins that I bought on top of each other and normally I wouldn't be able to. To add more contrast inside the cabinet, we're going to use the clear acrylic bins to store more beans because clearly we love beans, and also some granola bars and little tea packets to put inside the cabinet as well so that it'll look nice and neat. Okay, this is the final product. I did keep some things in its original packaging because I like how that looks in the cabinet. It gives it a lot more color, but here's the end result. Okay guys, that was the video. Hopefully we gave you guys some ideas on how to maximize your pantry space.
And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and have a beautiful day.
Peace.